friends, welcome to my channel. This short video is created based on a request from a friend asking for a simple Python code to randomly generate secret codes or secret keys that can be used for account authentication, passwords, session tokens, or other software security access tokens. In creating this, I declared a generate token function, which randomly generates and returns a string of characters. So in writing the code, the first thing I need to do is I need to import the random model. This I've done already. Then generate token. And this is going to take an argument length. Then the function is going to return the join method to join every character together. All right, that's going to start with a separator, which is just nothing here, just quotation marks dot join. Then what are we joining together? We're joining randomly generated characters. That there's this something called system.random. I will explain this afterwards. The choice, I should take parentheses, the choice. Then within this, we're going to be using list comprehension to iterate over some characters or some string of characters that will generate using the range function. All right, so how do I start? I'll type the string comprehension, and you start by opening a square bracket, then what to return. That's the value you want to return, which is I'll be using the char function here. Say I for I range in range 97 to 123. I'm gonna explain this later. Let me just quickly rush through this. Then the next set of characters I want to generate is this is for lowercase characters. Then the next one is for the numbers. All right. So let's say another square brackets str, that's the string function to I. What are we generating from here? For I in range, we're generating numbers from a sequence of 10 or 9 numbers. We're going to be generating uppercase characters for I in range and from 65 to 91 to 91. And the last one is I would like to generate symbols too. Let me add let me put this plus sign here. And the last one is char function I, then for I in range 33 to 48. Then outside the choice parenthesis, now say for all of these characters that we're joining together in range of the length specified in so we'll say length that we have declared in the function. That's all there is. That's all we need to do. Then call the function. All right, let me just try to print this out and see what it gives. So generate token. I want the length of the character that will be generated to be, say, 16. And let's try to run this and see what we have. You can see that we have generated a string of characters with uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers. This is a very good one that can be used for account authentication tokens. Then let's go back to the code and do some explanation. Like I used the Python join method to join all the characters randomly generated from each list in this tuple, right? Then the list, like I said, I used list comprehension instead of several lines of for loops to iterate over each list. Like I have here, range from 97 to 123, then range of characters That's uppercase characters. Now I use the random module. Then within the system, the random module is a system random class. This class uses the system function os.urandom function to generate numbers from sources provided by the operating system. Within the choice method of the random module, I have the list comprehensions. By the way I understand list comprehension is that the first, when writing list comprehension, I first declare the value I want to return. Then I declare the for loop to loop or to iterate it over the sequence in question. All right. So here we have for sequence declared in for list comprehensions. The first listing lower cases. Then I used a Unicode. Right. This is how it all works. So we can test for different lengths of number. We can test for 8 depending on what you want to use this for. We can test for 8 characters, test for 20, whatever your organization has specified. All right. So let me try this. You can see that we have a string of characters 20 that can be used as account authentication key or secret token. So thank you for being there. Then kindly remember to subscribe, like, and also press the notification